chicken juice in my bed. Chicken. Can you pass me those green bean things? What are they doing?
Oh, stop
That farting is great.
Hi everybody, so I'm back again with this egg. Today we're doing another Q&A, but this time we have food. So, do you want to tell them what we've got?
I have a chicken ramen. Sorry, I'm very nasal today.
WAGAMAMAs.
Wagas.
So if you've never had a WAGAMAMAs.
Wagas.
So if you've not had a WAGAMAMAs, it's an Asian
plus Japanese cuisine. Literally
That's
what it says
is.
here on Google.
So
Google.
we've gone for a side dish each. I've gone for the edamame beans. I just thought it'd be somewhat healthier than having. You don't like them, do you?
I
think they're nice.
I've gone for the duck guy ozer. They look like frosted.
We just thought
They're
we
just
would
great.
come and eat and chat. Because you guys seem to like the Starbucks video we did, so we thought we would do another one.
And we're very, very bored. So yeah.
What is your favourite hobby to do together? We just do a lot of like things, like I don't know. We watch movies, we eat takeaways.
Play Switch.
That is spicy in my mouth right now. Can't breathe. Play Nintendo Switch, that's true.
But yeah, probably just usual couple stuff really. We don't really like, there's not really much hobbies you can do at the moment, so let's be honest.
No. What's the first date you'll have when you get out of lockdown?
I mean, considering we've been out of lockdown twice already and we still haven't had a date, I had no idea. We could go someplace fancy, although I'd much rather go somewhere with like amazing food rather than go somewhere fancy.
Me too.
So maybe go somewhere like Hudson.
I think we'll just end up going for food somewhere nice.
Yeah. Next question.
Next question. What is your go-to takeaway when you're together?
I'd probably say Chinese.
Let me do.
Yeah, Chinese all the way. If we had Wagas where we live, then maybe it'd be a bit different, but we don't.
Yeah, I think we'd have more
We only
WAGAMAMAs.
have like the locals.
Local
So
things.
probably just Chinese.
Chinese.
I'm trying to make sure that I'm like not looking in the viewfinder, so I'm trying to like block this out and look into the camera. But then I feel like I'm like, I don't know. I feel like if I'm looking into the camera, maybe I'm not actually looking into it properly.
I know what you mean.
I'm stressing too much.
When you get a McDonald's breakfast, what is your go-to orders? A lot of these are about food, I've come to notice that.
Yeah, mine is sausage and pancakes with syrup, hash brown, and probably a toffee latte. What about you, Millie?
I always get the sausage and egg McMuffin meal with a hash brown. And an orange juice.
Oh my god.
Do you want to explain to them what your main course is?
So it's a ramen. It's basically grilled chicken. I think it's grilled chicken in like a chicken broth with some like oniony things, noodles, some lettuce, and whatever these are.
What are you currently watching on Netflix? Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine Friends. And that's it for me.
I'm watching Riverdale, but they only upload one episode a week now, so it's not like a continuous thing at the moment.
Yeah, so you're keeping up to date with the latest.
Latest episodes.
Is it nice?
When this pandemic is over, what's the first thing you're going to do?
Over completely. I don't know, to be fair. Probably like normal stuff. Probably by then it'll be, hopefully it'll be like summertime and we can like go out the house without having to take like a whole suitcase worth of coats and jackets because it's cold.
I agree. I'd like to go to the beach or something.
Nothing in particular for me, to be honest.
No. Tea or coffee?
Coffee. Obviously.
Yeah, coffee 100%. I feel like we should put a warning out at the beginning of this video. If you don't like eating sounds, don't watch it. But never mind.
Tell an embarrassing funny story about the other. Embarrassing / funny, sorry.
Oh, I can tell you one that's not, it's not that bad for the internet. It's actually not that embarrassing, but I can tell that because I feel like I want to be nice.
Ooh.
And I've got a katsu curry, by the way. I would just say that time we were at my house and we were coming down for dinner and then you stood on my laptop and fell down the stairs. Because that's not that embarrassing and it's funny. Because you didn't hurt yourself. And
I was expecting worse.
yeah, I wouldn't say anything that horrible.
Melody is not funny and
I'm really
she doesn't
funny.
embarrass easy, so I don't have
This reminds me of that scene in Friends. I just don't embarrass easy.
Yeah. Does Ryan love Disney too? No. Sorry.
I think, no.
Sorry guys.
I don't think
But I don't hate it.
You don't hate
I don't hate it. Yeah, it's just not my
No, like I feel like
jam.
I feel like you'd go to Disneyland with me.
Oh yeah, it'd be sick. Don't get me wrong.
But he's not the sort of person that would like feel the need to go to Disneyland like 10 times because you'd much rather go to other places. Which I get. Do you like living in a small town or would you like to live in a larger city? Sorry, what was that?
Small town all the way.
Yeah, 100%.
All the way.
100%.
I can't think of anything worse than living in a bigger city. No offence to anyone that does. Just scares me. I've always lived in a small town, so just keep it that way.
Yeah, and I also think that because we live in a small town, but when we go to bigger cities and stuff, like we have now, to eat this, it's more of an exciting time because it's not like just what we used to, do you know what I mean? Somebody asked if you've got any tattoos.
Sorry, there's just chicken juice everywhere.
Ramen is one of those weird things.
It's a weird angle. You'll have to like tilt your phone upside down. I don't know if you can see it like that.
Oh yeah, maybe. That seems better.
That's it. The only one I own.
Hone?
The only one I own.
Do you want any more?
Yeah, probably. It's just one of those things, isn't it? Oh yeah, I want more tattoos. Then you realise that costs money.
Yeah, especially if you want them done like well. How long did we know each other before we got together? I can't remember. How long have we known you now? Because we knew of each other and we'd met each other.
It depends what you want to go know of or know.
No, but when I lived with Zoe, so back in 2018, you came over because you're friends with Zoe more so than me.
Yeah.
But we didn't really talk like. So like.
Yeah, it was more just like a hello, how are you? Yeah, not bad. Where's Zoe?
Yeah.
Type situation.
But then if we talk about like no, wasn't really that long, was it?
No. Probably like
But I think that is because we knew of each other before.
a month or so.
Yeah, but we just got on really well, like really quick. And I think when you know, you know. You know? What's each of your favourite films and have we watched them together yet? I'm a film person, I love a film. But we watch more series together, I think.
I'm more of a series person.
Yeah.
I don't really know what my favourite film is, to be honest.
I really love films with, what is his name? Adam Sandler. Any Adam Sandler film I love. And especially if it's Adam Sandler and Jennifer Aniston. Just go with it, it's one of my favourite films. I love that film. But yeah, films like that I really enjoy.
I love Grown Ups.
Grown Ups is so good, yeah.
The Longest Yard is a sick film. I love like Liar Liar and stuff there. Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. Hilarious film.
Yeah, anything with Jim Carrey as well. Just really funny, like, easy watch films we really enjoy. The next question is, how do you find dating when you both live at home still? Me and my boyfriend find it really hard. I think we're quite lucky because we work together. We literally live really close by.
5 minutes apart.
Yeah.
So.
But because we work together, obviously, we are in the same bubble, which means that we're very lucky in that, like, our relationship hasn't been affected due to not seeing each other. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but to be fair, like,
this chicken is just like stuck on my foot.
I don't know whether that question was like lockdown related, but I mean, before you used to work with me, when we went in lockdown, like it was fine. But then again, that was like a different time, wasn't it? It was like start of the relationship, near enough.
Yeah, it depends whether you mean lockdown wise or just in general wise. But I think you just have to be. I feel like you just have to be on the same page in that if you want to make it work, you'll make it work.
Yeah,
and exactly. I'm not saying that yours isn't working if you're struggling, but I feel like if you're finding it really hard, you just both need to like stick to a schedule. So say for example, if you are in lockdown and you can't see each other, have like a video call date.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Whether that's like every day for like a set time or something, or like every other day, and you have a video call at like, I don't know, 7 till whenever. And you could eat dinner together, or it completely depends what you mean. Definitely. If you mean lockdown or
I think either way, like at the end of the day, if, like it depends what you're finding hard. Whether like it's because you've got no time, then you're going to need to make time.
You never get given more time.
I don't think anyone is to the point where they're so busy that they can't make time for their other half.
100%. Will you film a video where Ryan does your makeup?
That's down to you.
I mean,
that's your video, your makeup.
I mean, I'm not going to let you have the expensive stuff.
And my
I know
skills.
What you're like.
Why not?
If that's a video you want to see, let me know down below because we can make that happen.
Let's do a lightning round.
Yeah, I'm so good at lightning rounds. Okay, favourite memory you've made together so far?
Swanage, maybe?
I was thinking Swanage. You like read that out
Swanage,
of my
maybe,
mind.
but
Yeah.
that's probably the only thing we've done, so.
Yeah, it's so true. Next
Go,
question.
go, go.
Where can you see yourself in 5 years' time?
No idea. Wherever the road takes it.
Yeah. Do you have a song together, or when you hear a song it reminds you of each other?
Multiple.
Yeah, we do have a few.
Favourite is Scissor Sisters. I can't even remember what it's called.
Filthy gorgeous. Yeah. I don't know why that just... I don't know, it's just funny. It just reminds me
We
of
used to
you.
go and get an ice cream like late at night from McDonald's, and I'd just like blast it in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When do you find your girlfriend, boyfriend most attractive? When you're just like naturally really nice? Because a lot of people
Yeah, to be fair,
aren't
this is all
naturally really
makeup.
nice. No, but do you know what I mean? Like you're just a very thoughtful human being.
Oh, thank you, darling.
That's okay. Like you'll bring me a Starbucks when you go past the Starbucks. You just like bring it to my house.
Yeah.
And like
yeah, well,
that's
just
thoughtful.
because I'm a legend. My answer would just be, you're just always there for me, and I appreciate it. Go out for a cycle on a Tuesday evening, and don't get home till like gone 10, and dinner is ready to rip.
Dinner is ready.
And I like that. That's good. Thank you.
That's okay. What is something new you've learned in/through your relationship? I know mine. For you, for me, to me, to you,
To me, to you. Go on then.
is that in a relationship, it sounds stupid, but I don't have to try to be like anything
No.
in our relationship.
Yeah.
Whereas like previously I've had to try more. Do you know what I mean? And like
Yeah.
you shouldn't have to try to be different or
No.
be a certain way,
No.
you know?
Exactly.
So that's what I've learned, is
Good.
that I can literally be the weirdest human being
Good.
in the world and like it won't make a difference to you.
I've realised that to be in a relationship, you shouldn't have to. Well, it's a bit like your answer, but like.
You were just going to say my answer.
Yeah, pretty much. Like you don't have. You shouldn't have. Like, I don't know. It's weird. You should. I don't know how to get it out. To be in a relationship, you shouldn't have to try. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, 100%.
It should just work, and you shouldn't have to think they're like, oh, what are they doing? Oh, why didn't they send me a text this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, why didn't they say goodnight last night? And you shouldn't have to worry about things like that. It should
No.
just be like, oh, I fell asleep. Oh,
It's
okay,
like,
cool.
oh, okay, cool, fine.
Or you just even have to explain yourself. You just know each other. Do you know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Okay, last question, because we've actually been filming for over an hour,
Yeah.
which
Go,
is
go, go.
more than the footage last time. So,
More
how
for you to
do you find things to do together in lockdown?
If you have a dog, exercise it.
If you don't have a dog, get a
Purposely
dog.
go for a longer walk.
Yeah.
It's not going to hurt you, is it? There's obviously new things as well. Like, I think a lot of people are afraid to try new things as well.
Yeah, 100%.
Like, don't be afraid to do something out of the ordinary.
Yeah.
Like, we done a puzzle
Oh yeah, we
over
did a
Christmas.
puzzle.
I've
yeah.
done a puzzle for ages.
I actually
and
haven't
that
done a
was
puzzle
sick.
since I was
It was
probably
so
about
fun.
5.
And
I
that killed
thoroughly-
loads of time.
It did, didn't it? I think
Yeah.
we did that for like 10 hours or something.
Yeah.
And it was
So-
a friend's puzzle. It was actually a very good puzzle.
So, yeah.
But yeah, like you just find
Take it old
stuff to
school.
do. Play Monopoly. That's a long game. Thanks so much for
fun.
watching. We're going to end the video here because we've been filming for an hour. So we are
Yeah,
going
man.
to end it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. And obviously subscribe if you're not already. And we will see you very soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye. You did the thumbs up again. Bye.
Toodles.